Hello, today this is going to be a very quick intro because, well, today I am doing a video about the prom and I'm actually cycling down to prom, but it's 6:25 and the prom starts at 6:30 and I think I probably need to get, changed. The reason I'm not ready is because I've been out at, the British Grand Prix F1 today, so, yeah, the girl's probably been getting ready for like 3 hours or whatever. I've got 5 minutes. I think there's someone I was gonna ask to go with, but I didn't get around to asking them. Maybe I was too scared they would say no. I wonder why. Anyway, I better get ready then, and I hope you like my suit. That's my waistcoat. Let's go. A little quick extra note. I do have a GoPro, so I could wear that and get a good video of me arriving, but unfortunately I was sailing and I may or may not have dropped the GoPro in the lake, so I unfortunately can't film via that. So I will try and hold my phone and film, but I quite have to cycle and film at the same time. But I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go. See if I can capture anyone's reaction. Where can I park my bike?
Good question. I'll tell you what.
Thank you very much for watching. I have just got back from prom. It is currently 12:15 at night. I'm absolutely shattered. It was actually a lot better than I was expecting, to be fair. A lot better. If you made it this far, then thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And British Alf, this video is kind of made for you. I really want to collab. And you live in Stoke, I live near Leicester, so that's not actually too far away. It's very possible that we could meet. Please, the British Alf collab.